Great afternoon, students. Today I am Pooja, your maths educator, and in today's class we learn 6th class maths exercise 1C. Yesterday we do the question number 1 to 6 of exercise 1C, and now today we start question number 7. So let us we start our question number 7, and in this question it is given that the sale receipt of a company during a year was 2 crore 9 lakh 56,480. नेक्स्ट ईयर इट इंक्रीज्ड बाय, जो नेक्स्ट ईयर था अगले साल था वो इंक्रीज हो गई है. इंक्रीज मीन्स बढ़ गई है. कितनी? 67,09,570. What was the total sale receipt of the company during these 2 years? तो बताइए इन 2 सालों में कंपनी की सेल क्या हुई है. तो फर्स्ट वी राइट हियर फर्स्ट ईयर सेल रिसिप्ट ऑफ अ कंपनी दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 करोड़ 9 लाख 56,480. Right here in a first year sale receipt of a company that is equal to 2 crore 9 lakh 56,480. After that next year it increased, वो बढ़ गई है. तो बढ़कर कितनी हो गई है? बढ़ी हुई, जितनी बढ़ी है इंक्रीज हुई है वो आपकी सेल रिसिप्ट है 67,09,570. Now you have to find total sale receipt. Total sale receipt निकालनी है of the company during these 2 years. So first we write second year sale receipt is equal to this. सेकेंड ईयर में आपकी जो सेल रिसिप्ट है वो कितनी हुई है, तो हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. एंड आफ्टर एडिंग वी गेट 0, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10, then 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6, 16, 5 plus 1, 6, 9 plus 7, 16, then 6 plus 1, 7, and here is 7. This is the sale receipt of second year. Now, what was the total sale receipt of the company during these 2 years? ये तो सेकेंड ईयर की सेल रिसिप्ट आई है. आपको बतानी है कि दोनों सालों में टोटल कितनी सेल रिसिप्ट हुई है. तो अगेन वी डू द क्वेश्चन एंड वी राइट हियर फर्स्ट ईयर सेल रिसिप्ट इज फर्स्ट ईयर सेल रिसिप्ट इज ऑफ अ कंपनी that is equal to 2 crore 9 lakh 56,480. And second year sale receipt of a company that is equal to 2 crore 76 lakh 66,050. Now total sale receipt, here we write total sale receipt of a company that is equal to, जब भी हम टोटल फाइंड आउट करते हैं देन वी डू द एडिशन. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट टू ऐड द नंबर 0, 8 plus 5, 13, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 6, 12, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12, then 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, then 7 plus 1, 8, and 2 plus 2, 4. Now the total sale receipt of a company in these 2 years is a 4 crore 86 lakh 22,530. Now this is our answer. Now let us we start our next question number 8, and in this question it is given that the total population of a city is a 2 crore 87 lakh 56,304, and if the number of males is 1 crore 69 lakh 87,000 59, then find the number of females in the city. Now this question is simple. Total population given है, male की population given है, you have to find the population of female by subtracting the numbers. Clear? Now as you see that in your class total student are 40 and out of 40 the boys are 20, then how many are girls? Then what do? You subtract the boys from the total student of the class, then we get the number of girls in the class. Clear? Now I hope that you are doing this question very well and you face no any problem in this question. So let us start our next question, question number 9. In question number 9 it is given that by how much is 1,32,46,510 larger than 46,58,642. लार्जर मीन्स, लार्जर में क्या कहा है कि एक नंबर आपको गिवन है, द नंबर इज फर्स्ट नंबर इज इक्वल टू 1,32,46,510. ये नंबर जो है दूसरे नंबर से, ये गिवन नंबर जो दूसरा नंबर ये है इस नंबर से कितना लार्जर है, मीन्स कितना बड़ा है. तो बड़े का पता कैसे चलेगा? When we subtract this second number from the first number, then we get the first number is larger than the second number. So here we write first number is this, and now we write a second number that is equal to 46,58,642. Now we have to find how much larger, कितना larger है. कौन larger है? First number is larger. So here we write first number is larger than second. First number is larger than second. तो जब भी हमें कोई नंबर किससे कितना बड़ा है तो क्या करेंगे? We do the subtraction. And in subtraction we get 0 minus 2. 0 में से 2 subtract नहीं हो सकता. It means that we have to take a borrow. So after taking borrow it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 that is equal to 8. Again 10 minus 4 that is equal to 6. 14 minus 6 that is equal to 8. 13 minus 8 that is equal to 5. 13 minus 5 that is equal to 8. Then 11 minus 6 that is equal to 5. And 12 minus 4 that is equal to 8. Now our answer will become 85,87,868. So this number is, first number is larger, this one from the second. Clear this one? Now in the next question, question number 10. In question number 10, it is given that by how much smaller? By how much smaller is this number than 1 crore? By how much smaller $56,43,879 than 1 crore. 1 crore. Clear this one? Now we see that both questions are similar. बिल्कुल similar है. सिर्फ difference क्या है? In this you have to use the word larger and in this question you use the word smaller. We have to follow the same process. First we write the bigger number and we see that our bigger number is a 1 crore. So here we write first number that is equal to 1 crore. Now we write second number that is equal to 56,43,817. अब देखिए डिफरेंस क्या है इन दोनों में. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट नंबर लार्जर था एंड हियर यू राइट and here you have to write the smaller number. अब smaller number आपका क्या है? Smaller number is this one and this is the second number. So we write here second number is smaller. Second number किससे smaller है? Than first. Second number is smaller than first. कितना smaller है वो हम subtract करके find out करेंगे. And after subtracting we get here is a 0, so it take borrow from here and 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 6 3 and 9 minus 5 4. So our number is 43,56,121. So second number is smaller than first number by this number. Clear this one? Let us we start our next question, and our next question is what number must be subtracted from 1,10,10,101 to get 26,35,967. So this is a question number 11. What must be subtracted? You have to stress on the word कि क्या subtract करें to get this. Subtract क्या करें कि हमारा नंबर ये आ जाए. तो जब भी इस टाइप का कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, what must be added, what must be subtracted, what must be multiplied, what must be divided. चारों केसेस में आपका सेम चलता है कि एडेड एंड सब्ट्रैक्टेड दोनों में सेम प्रोसीजर चलेगा और मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड उन दोनों में भी सेम प्रोसीजर चलेगा. सो फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट मस्ट बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम के बाद आपको नंबर है, जो नंबर है तो फर्स्ट वी राइट फर्स्ट नंबर दैट इज इक्वल टू 1,10,10,101. Your number is this, and the second number is equal to 26,35,967. Now you have to find what must be subtracted. What must be subtracted? So here we write subtracted number. Subtracted number कि जो नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाएगा वो नंबर आपका क्या होगा, and that number is we get after subtracting from this. Now here we subtract 11 minus 7 that is equal to 4, 9 minus 6 that is equal to 3, 10 minus 9 that is equal to 1 and 9 minus 5 4, 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 6 3 and 10 minus 2 8. So your number is 83,74,134. Now this is your answer. Clear this one? If your number is here, what must be added to this to get this? क्या ऐड किया जाए? तो जिस नंबर में से ऐड करना है यहाँ पर आपका आ जाएगा एडेड नंबर. Clear this one? Now we start our next question, question number 12. And in this question you have to given that the sum of two numbers is equal to this. One number is this, then to find the other number. When you have to given sum of two numbers का सम है और वन नंबर आपको गिवन है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? यू सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर. Sorry. Here we write sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers that is equal to 1 crore 7 lakh, 1 crore 7 lakh 50,308. Now your first number is equal to, first number is 89,67,509. Now you have to find second number या फिर other number, any one. If here you write first number, then here you write second number, and if you use the one number, then you have to use the other number. So we subtract the number 8 minus 9. 8 में से 9 subtract नहीं कर सकते. That's why we have to take borrow, and after taking borrow, the number is 18, and 18 minus 9, that is equal to 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 14 minus 6, 8. 16 minus 9, 7. 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1. So our other number is 17,82,789. This is our answer. Now let us start our next question, question number 13. And in question number 13, it is given that a man had rupees 2 crore with him. He spent rupees 1 crore 36 lakh 7,085 on buying a school building. Then how much money is left with him? उसके पास कितने रुपए बाकी बचे? तो देखिए सेम आपके क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 जैसा ही है, उसमें सम ऑफ नंबर था. इसमें यहाँ पर हमारे पास आएगा ए मैन हैड रुपीज़. मैन हैड रुपीज़ 2 करोड़. देन ही स्पेंट ऑन बाइंग ए बिल्डिंग. बिल्डिंग परचेज करने में उसने रुपए खर्च किए. एंड आफ्टर देन यू फाइंड दैट हाउ मच मनी इज लेफ्ट विद हिम. उसके पास कितनी मनी बची. सो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर्स. आप क्या करेंगे, आप नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. क्लियर? आई होप यू डू दिस क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ. Now we start our question number 14, and in question number 14 it is given that a society needed rupees 1 crore 85 lakh 36,000 to buy a property. एक प्रॉपर्टी को बाय करने के लिए सोसाइटी needed rupees. So we write here society needed rupees 1 crore 85 lakh 36,000. Now after that it is given that it collected rupees 72 lakh 53,840 as a membership fee. membership fee में उसने जो है collected money as membership fee. जो membership fee थी उसमें उन्होंने रुपीस कलेक्ट किए. कितने रुपीस कलेक्ट किए? 72,53,840. After that it was given that he took a loan of rupees, collected money as a bank loan, that is equal to rupees 56 lakh 75,540. 450. Now after this, and collected as a donation. Collected money as a donation. डोनेशन के थ्रू, डोनेशन होता है दान देना, कोई किसी को कुछ भी दान देता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डोनेशन। और डोनेशन से कलेक्ट हुआ 29,37,680. Now he say that how much is the society still short of? तो बताओ इतना रुपया कलेक्ट होने के बाद भी सोसाइटी के पास कितने रुपए की शॉर्ट रह गई, कितने रुपए की कमी रह गई। सो वी राइट हियर टोटल मनी कलेक्टेड, टोटल मनी कलेक्टेड। So we have to add these numbers, and after adding we get 0, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 1, 19, then 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 5, 16, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, and 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 15. इट मीन्स जो कलेक्टेड मनी थी वो 1,58,66,970 हो गई। नाउ अगेन वी राइट हियर सोसाइटी नीडेड रुपीज, सोसाइटी नीडेड रुपीज दैट इज इक्वल टू 1,85,36,000। नाउ टोटल मनी कलेक्टेड, मनी कलेक्टेड, मनी कलेक्टेड that is equal to rupees 1,58,66,970. शॉर्ट मनी, कितनी मनी शॉर्ट है? शॉर्ट मनी that is equal to, now in this we have to subtract the numbers, and after subtracting the numbers we get 0, 10 minus 7, 3, 0, 15 minus 6, 9, 12 minus 6, 6, 14 minus 8, 4, 7 minus 5, 2. So the short money is 24,69,030 rupees. ये मनी आपकी शॉर्ट रही। क्लियर दिस वन? नाउ the question number 15 is same as the question number 14. So you have to do this question yourself. And now the other question we do in our next video. Till then, bye everyone.